Mommy,
Yes, sweetie?
what kind of kits do they use to make Sour Patch Kids?
Sweetie, they don't use kids to make Sour Patch Kids.
Oh, that's why the ones I made taste kind of funny.
What did you do?
Let's have TikTok introduce the new slimes dropping this Sat strawberry pound cake.
I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I fall into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up.
Elderflower rose lemonade.
Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you want me.
Blackberry sun tea. Sweet custard marshmallow fluff. Taro milk cold foam.
Don't you dare like this video. Did you just like it? You better not comment on it. You really don't listen for shit, huh? And did you just share it?
Baby, take a ride in my Tesla. Yes, sir, bros, niggas can't catch up. Catch up, I'm just riding on a road.
Look at me, I put a face on. Look at me, I put a show on when I go.
Satisfying or no?
This is #1 champion sound, yeah, Estelle, we about to get down.